Walmart just dropped a massive bet on AI that could reshape how we shop online, and it's gunning straight at Amazon. The world's largest retailer unveiled a suite of AI super agents that will become the primary way shoppers, employees, suppliers, and developers interact with Walmart. These agents aren't just fancy chatbots. They're powered by agentic AI, which means they can make decisions with minimal human input. Before we dive deeper, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and drop a comment below with your thoughts on whether AI will make shopping better or just more complicated. Here's the play. Walmart wants e-commerce to hit 50% of total sales within 5 years, up from $648 billion in revenue last year. To get there, it's rolling out 4 super agents, one for customers, one for employees, one for suppliers and sellers, and one for developers. Take Sparky, the shopper agent. Today, it can suggest the right running shoes or summarize reviews. Soon, it'll be able to reorder your groceries, plan themed parties, or even generate recipes by scanning your fridge with computer vision. For employees, the new associate agent will streamline things like parental leave requests or pulling sales data instantly, tasks that used to require multiple tools. Suppliers and advertisers will get Marty, an agent to handle onboarding, orders, and ad campaigns. And developers get a dedicated agent to test and launch Walmart's future AI tools. The timing isn't random. Walmart says customers are already using AI in daily life. And while Amazon, Microsoft, and Google are cutting staff while pushing AI, Walmart is positioning these agents as growth engines, even if the short-term payoff is uncertain. This isn't just about convenience. It's about loyalty. If Walmart can make shopping faster, smoother, and smarter, it could chip away at Amazon's dominance in e-commerce. Want to go deeper into how AI is transforming retail? Check out the related video in the corner. And if you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.